Welcome back to week 3, polishing your video. This week, we'll learn how to add visual polish. We'll cover resizing clips, adding B-roll, creating simple effects like freeze frames and slow motion, and dipping our toes into the world of color correction. Final Cut Pro for beginners, a 30-day foundational video series, day 15. Sometimes your shot isn't framed perfectly. Maybe you need to zoom in or fix a crooked angle. The inspector is your best friend for this. Let's learn how to scale and rotate in under 3 minutes. With your clip selected, open the inspector command +4. Make sure you're on the video inspector tab, which looks like a little film strip. The first section you'll see is transform. This is where the magic happens. To zoom in or out, use the scale parameter. You can drag the number to the right to scale up or left to scale down. Once you've scaled up, you might need to reposition the clip. Use the position X and Y values to move the clip left and right or up and down to get the perfect framing. If your shot is crooked, you can use the rotation parameter. Just drag the number to rotate the clip and straighten it out. These simple transform controls in the inspector give you complete control over the framing of your shots. Now you can reframe any shot. This is great for fixing mistakes, but what about adding other visuals to your story? In the next video, we'll learn how to add B-roll as connected clip. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 16.